subscribe to my channel.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's episode I will show you on how to use WhatsApp AI. I know you have not seen WhatsApp AI, but I'll show you on how to use WhatsApp AI and how to get it. So do stay tuned for the video, like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel so when I post a video you'll be first to be notified. Thank you. Okay, let's go straight to the video. Let's head into your phone, then you search for your WhatsApp. Start searching for your WhatsApp. Search for your WhatsApp. Click on the WhatsApp. Start clicking on the WhatsApp. Go and search for AI. Then I'll search for AI. You tap on AI. AI. Searching the AI. See my AI. Then I'll tap it. Wait till it open my AI. Then I'll wait a little bit. I'll just go back and type just to check if the AI is active. I'll just have I. That's I to AI. I'll wait for him to reply. For the AI to reply. I'll wait for the AI to reply. After the AI reply, the double strike there below. It is as that like it has been delivered. Then it will send a message back to me. It will say hi. Okay. So look at it here. Then I can ask my question. Then who is the video. What type is the video? I'll wait for it to show me a double strike that it has been delivered. Then wait for my answer. See double strike there, it is being delivered. And I'll wait for my answer. After then see my answer is there, it's been detailed. See my answer is being detailed. So guys, if you want this AI WhatsApp, you just subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment, press done, send a message to my WhatsApp. I will post my WhatsApp number there. Send a message to my WhatsApp and tap done that you have subscribed. Then I will send the number to you direct. Yeah. Once you just tap done, I will send the number to you direct. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share. Okay. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.